Chief Minister na Manipur da ILP chatnarakliba asi miyamgi khongjangani haiba wafam phongdokre ngasi City Convention Center Imphal da masak nairaba official sing MLA Minister singna saruk yaduna pangthokiba launching program for celebration of 5 years of ILP system in Manipur and an interactive session with beneficiary of Manipur Startup 2.0 haiba thoramda CM na makha taraduna hai Manipur gi missing yamjajaba phurup asi kannaba miyamna hotnaduna ILP chatna hankibani masida mari leinaba official singnasu isagi thabak niyom chumna pangthoktuna phurup asi kannaba khongthang paikhatpa mathautai loinana ILP chatna halu haina khongjang jangsinbada leikhidraba sapam Robin Hood pasu ikai khumnabaga loinana center na ayaba piraktuna missing yamdraba phurup asi ngaknaba mitop miyancha khangdoknaba ILP chatna hanbagidamak thagatpa phongdoki
Party thagale habirakano politicalize hoge habirakano the facts in thang isanapa Robin Hood karigi sigdaba inga saijo haigeduna ai namitu da so haigi maram saba issue sing maram sana tawu matam sana tawu matam da karigi praja wahan gadaba karigi praja da sopan nangadaba matam sana tawdabagi ni ngasi inner line permit tabi no honorable union home minister ngang khiba mase khoi kawbudung tawe yam wana phangba pone struggle mayam do adugi struggle da yaw giba jing do ngase khoi na lai kaliba adugi struggle da yaw giba jing ne khoi ngase khoi na lengyan phi amato wasu ya laga khoi na bevar dokjariba Indian Foreigner Act ki makhada every border area da labor sing se every SP se they are FRO foreigner returning officer can detect and they can deport they can detect a foreigner and they can deport the foreigners Indian Foreign Act ki makhada adugi provision dugi makhada du dinang inner line permission apply to where the mina du di Indian Foreigner Act ki makhada nang sitor kana you start biometric lawraga eye scan na chingba lawra kana just detect oro aduga deport ono process tawuna
Loinana ngasi Jiribam district ta matang kuina sabal loiraba inner line permit facilitation center Manipur ki chief minister N Biren Singna video conferencing ki khuthangda hangdokre thoramadu Jiribam ki deputy commissioner IS Krishna Kumar SP Jiribam MPS Khamnam Robinson ADC Jiribam MCSTS Manoranjan amadi official kyasu sarukyaki